So I said that if you can't afford a tablet or you don't want to purchase one, you can draw your images with paper and pencil and scan them in or photograph them and bring them in Photoshop and use those as your base to create your artwork. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I drew a little sketch and I took a picture of it with my iPhone. It doesn't have to be super professional or super nice. You just want to get that image into Photoshop so you can create shapes and colors on top of it. So what we'll do is we're going to come up to File, Open. Then I'm going to go to my pictures and I'm going to come to my game character. And now I'm going to select him and open him. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate him by coming up to the Image drop-down menu and coming down to Image Rotation. And I'm going to rotate him 90 degrees counterclockwise. So now he's right side up. So now that you have your image in Photoshop and you're ready to start creating your character, what you'll do is you'll add layers above him. So you want to make sure that when you're painting on your character, you're not actually directly painting onto this background layer. So you'll add a new layer by hitting the layer button. So we'll hit the brush tool and let's bring the size up so it fits his head, and we're just going to put a dot there that's about the size of his head. And so now we have a shape there for our character's head. And you'll see that it's not affecting our original drawing at all. So this is how you're going to upload your physical drawing into Photoshop and create a character on top of that. I really hope this lecture was helpful for you and insightful, and I hope to see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.